Laser drilling glass cup, bottle. Laser drilling hole on glass bottle, cup. Glass laser drilling machines are replacing water jets, metal knives, grinders. First, glass laser drilling is highly efficient. Laser drilling of glass is 4 to 5 times faster than traditional methods. Second, smooth cutting surface. The processed surface of laser drilling has no burrs, small chipping, and high quality. The edge chipping rate of the laser glass drilling machine is significantly better than that of mechanical drilling, and it can achieve high-precision laser drilling of glass. 3. Low post-production costs. The residual stress on the laser-drilled edge is small, so the edge is extremely resistant to cracking and maintains optical properties. There is no need to rinse, grind, or polish in the later stages because the frosted surface of laser glass drilling is very smooth, and the laser glass drilling is very clean. What it looks like before drilling will remain the same after drilling. Laser drilling whole glass cup. Laser drilling machine can drill soda-lime glass, normal glass, tempered glass, hyperosilicate glass, quartz glass, ultra-white glass.